build a major 7 chord by adding 2 notes. Here's what we have written. And then together we get this. All right, so the interval there is actually a 6th. It's a minor 6th. And we need to figure out what the root of the chord would be. So if we take the lower note, the E, and we label that as the root, we want to stack ascending third. So if we do that, we have E going up to a G, B, and then another third to make a 7 chord would be a D. E, G, B, D. Well, we don't have any C here, so labeling E as the root is maybe not the best choice. What if, though, we labeled C as the root of the chord? So if C is the root, a third above C is E, a third above E is G, and a third above G is B. This is probably the better option because we do have both the C and we have an E. The G and the B we can add. We have to add 2 notes, so this could be a good option here. So add a G in right there, that'll be fine. And then a B, we could put the B here next to the C, or we could put the B up higher, an octave higher. That would be fine too. And now we have C, E, G, B. What is that chord? C up to E is a major third, E up to G is a minor third, that's a major chord, and then G up to B, that's a major third, or the B is a major 7th above the C. So this chord right here, this is a C major 7 chord, and that satisfies the requirement. So I think that's the best choice. If we labeled E as the root of the chord, now we get in tricky stuff because E, G, B, D, this is not a major 7 chord, this is a minor 7 chord, so we'd actually have to add a G sharp and a D sharp, and we don't have a B and a C, we'd have to deal with that as well. So the better option here, C major 7, adding a G and adding a note B. Hope that makes sense. I'll see you next time.